like to ask my team to come with me to the stage.
It is all of us who are saying thank you to everybody who is present here.
So I think that without them, there would be very different European Union representation here. And I'm really, really grateful to all of them because together we can really make miracles for you and for Kazakhstan and for the European Union. The part of the reception is also to wish everybody all the very best in 2025.